If your Windows PC feels slow or annoying, these 3 settings will instantly make it cleaner and faster. What's up, guys? This is Tech Fix Central. I post simple tech fixes anyone can do. Let's get straight into it. First, disable unnecessary startup apps. Press Ctrl, Shift, Escape, go to Startup, and turn off anything you don't need at boot. This alone makes a huge difference. Next, turn on Storage Sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and let Windows clean junk files automatically. Finally, Power Mode. Go to Settings, System, Power and Battery, and set it to Best Performance. That's it. Simple, clean, effective. Subscribe to Tech Fix Central for more quick fixes.